Start.
Yes, hello guys, welcome back to my channel with the UG Farm Vlog. It has been a long time ever since we uploaded the last video. And believe what, today I'm here with one of the young entrepreneurs, a farmer who is majoring in something that he will be taking us through. And of course, maybe before that, let him introduce himself to us so that we can now go on the agenda.
Hello,
Yes.
esteemed farmers and clients to this channel. I'm here with your manager, UG Farm Blog. So today I'll be taking you through something small that I'm doing, something that I have passion for. It's farming. This is what we discuss here. We discuss farming. So as you can see at the side, this side, we have a few animals. What we're basically trying to do is we're trying to do the business of animal fattening. We secure fair breeds of this kind at a good genetics, and we try to fatten them.
So, because you're in beef production or fattening?
I'm in beef production.
Beef production.
That's what I do. Yes.
So, for my viewers or farmers, we know that in beef farming, we have three phases. We have the cow-calf phase, and these are the farmers that produce calves to people for further raising. Meaning, at 6 months, you win the calves, then you sell to other entities. So for him, he's doing what we call fattening or backgrounding phase, which means he has bought these calves at 6 months, then he will also raise them for more 6 months or beyond until they are yearlings. Yearlings are meaning when they have made a year. And also we have the feedlot, or that is the last phase, because after the backgrounding we go to the feedlot, whereby we shall fatten these animals for extra 6 months or 8 months according to the weight gain. Then maybe they qualify for slaughter. So, young man, how did you get the passion of doing this? Because I see many people at your age, if they have something small, they will think of luxury, going to the beaches, you know, having girls, beautiful girls with that, you know.
That's very true.
But now, for you, where do you get the passion? Don't you enjoy your money at this age?
Okay, money, basically, what drives us to do this is we look at future planning. What are your future ideas as a person? Of course, once in a while we have fun as young people,
I believe.
but the biggest thing is after having fun, do you have a balance with you? That's the problem. So if you know your source of income can't accept you have fun and have a balance, then it's best you start with something small like this. Farming is a project that just wake up, give it a try. Give something a try. Along the process, you get to learn about it. But if you keep waiting and say, I will do it next year, I will do it the other year, then trust me, it's not going to work out for you. But wake up, give it a try. Try it, say, God, this is my project. Help me, oh God. And go into it. But start small. Start with something small as you get the knowledge to learn. And in the end, glory goes back to God, the Creator.
So, because I'm seeing here, there's different breeds. Because I see this one, it's like a cross of Ankole. And also we have Borans, when you see this one. And this one looks like a cross of
This is a
Holstein,
Holstein Friesian, and a Boran.
Boran and Holstein.
Yes.
So they are crosses, meaning you have ventured in good genetics. And always I encourage my farmers that whenever you enter in any farming venture, for example in the animal sector, first thing to consider is the genetics. Because if you're going to do fattening or the fattening phase, as this young man has chosen to do, you can't buy a zebu and you feed it.
Zebu will not.
It will not bring, it will not
bring
make
the
economic sense.
Yes.
But for such genetics, it's very good.
In farming, another fact is you have to invest in good genetics.
Very
It's
true.
a must.
Very true.
If you want returns within time, for your money to come back, invest in good genetics. It's a big priority. It's a plus for you. invest in good genetics, ensure proper medication, feed your animals properly, and the sky is the limit. Yes.
So even like for this stage, maybe what we can also, as a farmer, because it's an hobby of mine, and I'm also here, I'm an animal specialist or productionist. The advice I can give you is that these calves, they have been weaned from their dams. So I encourage you to practice proper feeding, because at this stage, if you don't feed them according to their nutrient requirements, they will have stunted growth. And of course, you will not get your expectations. Feed them well, consider the housing, consider the medication, because you need to treat them, vaccinate. We have viral diseases that will come and disturb you. Bacterial diseases are there. So make sure that you do proper management at the farm. And also, I don't know whether, will you castrate them, or after fattening them, you can sell them to other people who may need maybe breeding desires.
Now, my plan will be, I will look at growth in the subsequent coming days. How will be the performance of individual animals?
Yeah.
If I find specific animals with perfect traits, then I'll definitely leave them for breeding. But if I find those that are not putting in within the expected point, then I'll castrate a few for them to be able to gain some weight.
Yeah.
Yes.
So okay, that is very good. And also maybe, what are the future plans? Because you're on the road. You're already the road to farming.
Dear farmers out there, we call upon you. We know things move best as a society, as a group of people.
Very good.
If you're out there and you want to learn something, you're interested in something, reach out to people who have been in it. Inquire from them, get to know what are the challenges they face, because farming is not a darling business. It's a business that needs commitment. You have to come around, you have to monitor, you have to check, and avoid online farming. Let no one tell you, yes, I gave it water. Be around, see for yourself, and be contented. Are you happy with what you're doing? But our future plans are, we call upon more people. Youth out there, you have some capital, you can invest with us. You can buy cows from us. You can help you source good genetics. So those are our plans. But with time, we believe in something bigger, something great.
That is very good, because right now, as a youth, live along the other part of enjoying life, chilling, doing everything part after party. The most important thing is to start something that will give you a daily income. It may not be daily as necessary, because for this phase, the fattening, it needs patience. You'll be broke, my brother, for even a year. But after a year, you'll be able to spend
Your money.
and spend wisely. Because I believe that this project, it can give birth to other enterprises. You can also diversify on chicken, piggery, you can also do turkey, and also other enterprises of your interest. Because before any business, first of all, love what you're going to do. If you have a negative attitude on any enterprise, don't do it. Do what you feel and what you love. So it has been a nice moment meeting my young farmer. The weather is a bit hot, that's why you see I'm sweating. It's around midday East African time, watching from Uganda. And we are very happy that he has shared his experience as a young farmer, because I believe most of my audience, they are teenagers. Is it teenagers or youth?
Youth and
Between 18 and 35.
youth.
And yes. So thank you for being with us. Thank you for sharing your experience with us. We are really grateful. I believe that this video is going to change someone's life, the mindset. If you're outside there, you have the money in your hands, and you're asking yourself, what should I venture? What should I do? You can also copy as well from him, or you can also let us in the comment section. We know, as a youth out there, what are you venturing in? Which business are you doing at your age? Are you spending in luxurious hotels? What or what? So thank you for being with us at this moment. In case you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe, you like, you comment, you share. We're on the road to 1K subscribers. Thank you for supporting wherever you're watching from. All my subscribers worldwide, thank you, and I wish you a nice day. See you in our next. Bye bye.